Are we standing on the precipice of a future where artificial intelligence fuels our passive income streams? This question invites us to delve into a realm of possibilities where the advent of technology no longer confines us to traditional ways of earning, but introduces a new paradigm of wealth creation. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? The concept captures the imagination, taking the mind on a journey of innovation and discovery where boundaries are yet to be defined. Historically, the creation of wealth has been intimately connected to human effort. But what if there was another way? What if this traditional model of earning, working 9 to 5, was disrupted by intelligent machines capable of doing the work for us? This is not just speculation, but a real possibility that we are on the brink of experiencing. Imagine a world where robots, not humans, are the laborers, where artificial intelligence does the heavy lifting, working tirelessly, intelligently, and efficiently, with accuracy that the human brain could only aspire to achieve. These aren't just any machines, but advanced intelligent systems programmed to execute business strategies, analyze markets, make investments, and even predict future trends. They, the clock, never tiring, never needing breaks, churning out income while you, the human, are free to focus on other things. Think of the opportunities, the freedom this could bring. No longer would our income be tied to the hours we put in. And it's not just about monetary gain. More importantly, it's about the time, the invaluable, irreplaceable commodity that is time. Time to pursue passions, to nurture relationships, to explore, to live, not merely exist. The concept of passive income isn't new, but the role of AI in generating it is. With the advent of AI-powered tools and platforms, anyone with an internet connection can potentially earn passive income. AI can analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed, make decisions based on this analysis, and carry out tasks without any direct human supervision. This is the beauty of artificial intelligence. It's a tool that can augment human capabilities, allowing us to achieve more than we ever thought possible. This might sound like science fiction, but it's not. It's a fascinating narrative of our times, an era marked by the explosive growth of technology and its application in various industries. The technological revolution has fundamentally changed how we work, live, and even think. But with these advancements come challenges too. The automation of jobs raises socioeconomic questions about human labor, job displacement, and income inequality. The ethical implications of AI decision-making, the potential to manipulate and control, are also areas of concern. However, these challenges aren't insurmountable. Through responsible development and use, AI can be a tool for good, a harbinger of progress, and a driver of economic prosperity. In the coming years, artificial intelligence will continue to evolve, to learn, and to improve. With machine learning and deep learning, AI can teach itself, becoming more efficient. It's an exciting prospect, and the implications for passive income generation are immense. The rise of AI in passive income generation is a trend worth watching, a development that could redefine our understanding of work and income. It's a shift towards a more efficient, more equitable world where human potential is not hindered by financial restrictions but unleashed by the power of technology. It's a future that beckons with promise. A future where wealth creation is not just about working hard, but working smart. A future where the boundaries between human and machine blur, creating a synergy of capabilities and opportunities. This is the world we're moving towards, and it's closer than you might think. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's essential to remember that the use of AI in passive income generation is still in its infancy. There's a lot we don't know, a lot to explore, and a lot to learn. But one thing is certain, the potential is enormous, and the possibilities are limitless. This is a journey of discovery, a journey that we are all part of, a journey that promises to be exciting, challenging, and ultimately rewarding. This might sound like science fiction, but with the advancements in AI technology, it's rapidly becoming reality. First off, what exactly is passive income? To wholly comprehend the concept, let us start by breaking down the term. The word passive implies inactivity or a lack of active participation. Income, on the other hand, denotes money received regularly for work or through investments. When you combine these two terms, passive income essentially translates to earnings that are generated with little to no active involvement. A desirable concept, isn't it? The idea of passive income has been around for decades. It is not a newfangled concept, nor is it a fleeting trend. It's method of earning money. The inherent beauty of it lies in its simplicity. You don't have to trade your time for money. In traditional jobs, you're required to work certain hours to receive your salary. The concept of passive income frees you from this time-bound constraint, allowing you to earn without investing significant time or effort. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the types of passive income. There are numerous avenues for generating passive income. Some of the most popular ones include rental income, interest from savings or bonds, dividends from investments, royalties from books, music, or other creative works, and profits from online businesses or apps. Each of these sources requires varying levels of initial effort and investment, but once set up, they can provide a steady stream of income with minimal upkeep. In recent years, technological advancements have added new dimensions to the concept of passive income. One of the most noteworthy developments is the advent of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI has been a game changer in various fields, and its potential to impact passive income generation is enormous. The power of AI lies in its ability to learn, adapt, and execute tasks with unprecedented. It automates processes, reduces human error, and enhances efficiency. When applied to passive income generation, AI can streamline processes, manage tasks, and even make strategic decisions, thereby minimizing the need for human intervention. Imagine a scenario where you have an online business that involves selling products. Normally, you would need to spend significant time managing inventory, processing orders, handling customer service, etc. However, with AI, you can automate these tasks. AI can predict sales trends, manage inventory, process orders, handle customer queries, and much more. This means you can earn money from your online business, less effort on your part. Moreover, AI can help people make smarter investment decisions. AI-powered tools and platforms can analyze market trends, predict future performance, and provide investment recommendations. This can significantly enhance the potential returns on investments, thereby increasing passive income. Another exciting application of AI in passive income generation is through AI-generated content. For example, AI can write books, create music, and design graphics, all of which can be sold to generate passive income. The possibilities are virtually limitless. In essence, AI can automate and optimize a vast array of processes, making it a powerful tool for generating passive income. By leveraging AI, one can significantly reduce the effort required to manage and maintain passive income sources. This convergence could potentially revolutionize the way we earn. So, how do we go about creating passive income in AI? The process is a multi-layered journey that requires a balanced blend of creativity, technical expertise, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit. It's a journey with multifaceted elements. Let's start with the first phase, the idea. In the landscape of artificial intelligence, the seed of any successful endeavor is a thought, a concept, a spark. Now the question that arises is, what problem can an AI solve that will generate income? In the expansive world of AI, there are innumerable possibilities. The problem you target could be a mundane one that everyday individuals face, or it could be a complex industry-specific challenge that businesses grapple with. The beauty of AI is that it has the potential to address issues and deliver solutions on both ends of this spectrum and everywhere in between. For instance, consider an AI chatbot. This is a tool that holds immense potential for transforming customer service across industries. From handling inquiries to solving issues, an AI chatbot can minimize response times, reduce human error, and deliver a seamless, superior customer experience. It's a solution that can be monetized in industries ranging from retail to healthcare, from technology to travel. On the more complex side of the spectrum, consider a machine learning algorithm that predicts stock market trends. Such an algorithm could draw on vast amounts of data and sophisticated predictive models to forecast market movements. This could provide investors with valuable insights that their investment strategies. It's a solution that could be monetized by selling it to individual investors or financial institutions. The key to unlocking the potential of AI lies in identifying a need or a gap that AI can fill. Once this gap is identified, it's time to move on to the next phase, creation. This phase requires a good amount of technical expertise. Your idea needs to be transformed from a mere concept into a tangible AI or machine learning model. At this stage, your technical skills will be put to the test. You'll need to have a strong grasp of programming languages like Python or R. These languages serve as the backbones of many AI and machine learning models. Additionally, you'll need to be familiar with machine learning libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. These libraries are powerful tools that can help you build and train your AI models. Now, don't worry if this sounds overwhelming. The world of AI might seem daunting, but it is not an insurmountable hill to climb. There are plenty of online resources and courses available that can help you navigate this terrain. From coding boot camps to online tutorials, there are many avenues for you to acquire or brush up on the necessary technical skills. Once you've successfully created your AI solution, comes the next step: monetization. This is the stage where your entrepreneurial skills come into play. There are several routes you can take to monetize your AI solution. You could sell your AI product or service directly to consumers. This could entail setting up an e-commerce platform or partnering with existing online marketplaces. Alternatively, you could license your AI technology to other businesses. This could involve entering into partnerships with businesses that can leverage your AI solution. In this model, your AI technology would serve as an added tool in their toolbox, improving their operations or offerings. Or you could create a subscription-based model where customers pay a regular fee for access to your AI solution. This model could provide a steady stream of income over a longer period of time. It would also offer your customers the flexibility to use your AI solution as and when they need it, rather than having to make a large one-time investment. In the end, the process of creating passive income in AI is not a straightforward one. It requires a unique blend of skills, a willingness to learn, and a spirit of entrepreneurship. But with the right idea, the right technical skills, and the right business model, you can unlock the immense potential that AI offers. So, how do we go about creating passive income in AI? The process is a mix of creativity, technical know-how, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit. Remember, building a passive income stream with AI is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a magic bullet that will instantly multiply your bank account, nor a secret trick that will turn you into a millionaire overnight. This is a reality that might be daunting, but it's also an authentic one. The truth is that creating a passive income stream with artificial intelligence necessitates time, effort, and a willingness to learn, to experiment, and to adapt. It's crafting your idea, honing the skills required, and then putting it all into action. Before you dive into creating an AI solution, you must first understand what artificial intelligence is. It's a branch of computer science that aims to build smart machines capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes tasks like voice recognition, decision-making, visual perception, and language translation. Understanding this will lay the foundation of your passive income journey with AI. The first step in this journey is to come up with an idea for an AI solution that not only solves a problem, but also has the potential to generate income. However, ideation is not a straightforward process. It involves brainstorming sessions, countless hours of research, and endless questions. You must identify a problem that needs to be solved, and then conceptualize an AI solution for it. After you've identified your AI solution, the next step involves building your AI or machine learning model. This requires an existing technical skill set or the willingness to learn new ones. This could mean delving into the world of coding or learning about machine learning algorithms and neural networks. Keep in mind that this step is extremely crucial, as the success of your AI solution is heavily dependent on how well your model works. Once you've built your AI model, the next step is to test it thoroughly. This involves several trials to ensure that your model is working as expected and making the needed adjustments. It's important to remember that failure is part of this process. There will be times when your model won't work as expected, but it's these failures that will push you to fine-tune your model to perfection. Once your model is ready and working as expected, the final step is to monetize it. There are several ways to go about this. You could sell your AI solution directly to businesses or individuals who need it. You could license your solution to other companies, which allows them your AI solution while you continue to own the intellectual property. Or you could opt for a subscription-based model, where users pay a monthly or annual fee to use your AI solution. As you can see, creating a passive income stream with AI involves a rigorous and thorough process. It's a journey that requires patience, resilience, and the willingness to learn and grow. But here's the exciting part. Once your AI solution is in place and generating income, it can provide a steady stream of revenue with minimal ongoing effort. You can create a flow of income keeps coming in, even when you're not actively working on it. So to sum up, creating passive income in AI involves 3 key steps. First, come up with an idea for an AI solution that solves a problem and has income-generating potential. Second, build your AI or machine learning model using your technical skills or by learning new ones. And third, monetize your AI solution through direct sales, licensing, or a subscription-based model. You must remember patience is a virtue on this journey, but the rewards on offer make it a journey worth embarking. The future of AI and passive income is exciting and full of potential. In the world of technological innovation, this potential has a unique and mesmerizing charm. It is like a seed that is on the verge of sprouting, filled with the promise of lush greenery and abundant fruit. It is a spark that is just waiting for the right gust of wind to burst into a flame, illuminating the path to a future where financial security and independence are no longer distant dreams, but tangible realities. AI, or artificial intelligence, is at the forefront of this revolution. It is a technology that is rapidly evolving, constantly learning, and ceaselessly growing. It has permeated every nook and cranny of our lives, from how we communicate and work to how we learn and play. It has become an integral part of our daily lives, providing us with a level of convenience and efficiency previously unimaginable. In the realm of passive income, AI has opened up avenues that were previously inaccessible. It has made it possible for the average Joe to build a stream of income that works for him around the clock, irrespective of his physical location or temporal constraints. By leveraging the power of AI, he can now create a system that generates income on autopilot, allowing him the freedom to pursue his passions, spend time with his loved ones, or simply enjoy the beauty of life without the constant worry of financial instability. The beauty of AI lies in its versatility. It is like a multifaceted gemstone, each facet revealing a different aspect of its functionality. It can be used to automate mundane tasks, analyze vast amounts of data, provide personalized recommendations, predict trends, and so much more. The possibilities are virtually endless, limited only by the boundaries of our imagination. However, to tap into this vast potential, one must possess the right combination of technical skills and an entrepreneurial mindset. The former is necessary to understand and manipulate the intricate workings of AI, while the latter is needed to identify opportunities and turn them into profitable ventures. Similar to being a gold miner, the technical skills are like the pickaxe and shovel, necessary tools to extract the gold, while the entrepreneurial spirit is the keen eye that can spot the gold vein amongst the rubble. Yet it is not just the technical skills and the entrepreneurial mindset that are crucial. It is also the courage to step out of one's comfort zone, to take risks, to face failures and learn from them. It is the resilience to keep going despite the obstacles, the perseverance to continue learning and adapting, the drive to keep pushing the boundaries of what is possible. In this brave new world, AI is not just a tool, it is a catalyst. It is the driving behind a paradigm shift, a revolution that is redefining the way we perceive and interact with the world. It is the harbinger of a future where financial freedom is not just a privilege of the few, but a right of the many. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting future, it is important to remember that the opportunity to shape it is in our hands. We are the architects of our destiny, the painters of our canvas. We have the power to leverage AI, to create streams of passive income, to secure our financial future. The future of AI and passive income is exciting and full of potential. And with the right idea, technical skills, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, anyone can tap into this emerging field. It's a brave new world out there, and AI is leading the way. So why not seize the opportunity and let AI work for your financial future?